Hi fellow ClickChauffeur drivers, in today's short tutorial I'll show you how to modify and organize your options to keep your booking module efficient and user-friendly. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. On the left sidebar, I've been clicking on the options submenu. So here is one option that I've been added in the last video. Before we get deeper, I'll give you a quick tip. You can copy an option to apply it to several different vehicles, similar to the functionality on the packages page. So let's say that I'm copying, and I now have 4 options. I'll change them slightly for our example. I will add a bottle of water for all the vehicles, and I will add my icon, maximum quantity of 10. I'm saving. I will now delete this one and change a second one with now a bottle of champagne. Select the icon. A price to all vehicles. Okay, now I save. And as you can see in the example, I've got 3 different options. So if you want to rearrange the order of your options, use the drag and drop functionality. And just so you know, you can activate or deactivate options as required. And that's basically it. You've successfully modified and organized your options, keeping your booking module efficient and user-friendly as promised. As we discussed before, a well-organized booking module can greatly enhance your client's booking experience. Keep your service offerings organized and your clients satisfied. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.